Hi, one of the most important things when you're painting in a realistical way like I do is that you have to use the perfect values of your colors when you're painting. As you see, I am placing my painting vertical on my easel, so for me it is also logical to use a vertical palette as well. The reason why I use a vertical palette and not a horizontal palette like the most of the painters do is the amount of light that hits on a vertical painting palette is different than the amount of light that is hitting the horizontal palette. When you're placing it vertical, you get the same amount of light hitting the painting palette as the painting itself. So there isn't much of a difference. You can see when I'm placing my hand vertical, you get some light on my hand, but when I'm placing it horizontal, there is a lot of more light that is hitting on my hand. So therefore I'm always using a vertical palette. Making a vertical palette is very easy to do and doesn't cost a lot. It won't break the bank. What do you need? Well, a piece of glass you need, a piece of black cardboard and some duct tape. You're placing the black cardboard on the back of the glass and you fix it with some duct tape. I'm placing this piece of glass on a tablet mount, a tablet stand that I bought for I think $5 or $6 here in the local store, and it is very flexible. You can put it up and down and left and right. You can turn it because it's got a ball head like a tripod, and it's also very near your painting. So when you're painting, you don't have to go downwards. You just go over here, and it's about 30 centimeters away from your painting, so very close and very handy. So this is why I'm using a vertical palette, and maybe you can give it a try. That's it for today. See you in the next one.